Siyempre nagulat ako kasi nga amongst all of the songs that I've written, parang yun yung least na I expected to really blow up. Kasi ayun nga, parang the other songs that I wrote are more, parang sinulat ko siya na with a thought in mind, ay magugustuhan kaya ito ng mga tao, parang what can I do, what can I write na mas magiging relatable siya, na mas magtatap ako dun sa shared human experience pagdating sa pag-ibig, na it becomes relatable to everybody. Kasi yung tibok, when I wrote it, it was just really personal to me. Like, I did not care if makaka-relate ba, parang hindi ko inisip kung it would sell kung sakali. Parang I was just focusing on being honest with myself, and then try to be as creative din musically at the same time. So nung nag-blow up siya, nung nagkaroon siya ng traction, sobrang nagulat ako kasi I was not expecting it at all. And ayun, pero masaya naman, sobrang saya ng experience na na-learn ko din na grabe din talaga yung pagiging honest, like when you're honest with yourself as an artist, as a songwriter din, na parang yun pa talaga yung mga makakapag-bring ng mga tao na makikinig sa'yo.
Parang sobrang raw kasi nung emotion